Hi everyone, if you are looking for the easiest Mediterranean dip, you are going to love this one. It's fresh, creamy, packed with flavor, and ready in just 5 minutes. Let's go! I take 1 clove of garlic. I'm going to peel it, of course. I'm checking if I have a sprout to remove, but no, I won't remove this sprout. It's good to remove the sprout when the sprout is green. And then I chop it finely. And of course you've got all the ingredients into the description below. Now I'm taking a mixing bowl and I put the cheese into it and the garlic, and don't worry if you don't have bruised cheese, take ricotta cheese instead. I add the olive oil and then with a fork I want to whisk it, and that's the texture you want. I'm adding some salt and black pepper. The bruised cheese is quite mild actually, that's why you need to salt it a lot. Now I give this lemon a massage. Hop, a few drops of it. I'm taking the chives, but it works as well with the basil, with the parsley. Take any fresh herbs you have actually. You have to be very, very generous with the fresh herbs. It will increase the flavor of this mild cheese. Okay, good. Always tasting it and adding more salt. Serve it cold as an appetizer with fresh carrot and cucumber sticks for dipping. It's also a perfect side dish for barbecue and goes really well with grilled potatoes. Me, I'm going to enjoy it with some sausages and burgers for lunch today. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more simple Mediterranean recipes. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!